Hello students, welcome to Ban Lectures. Today we will be talking about a very simple but important concept in pharmacokinetics. That is first pass metabolism. Certain drugs they undergo extensive first pass metabolism. This is a very important concept in pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics deals with absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drugs, that is ADME. So every drug has to pass through ADME. During this course of action, it meets with certain challenges. One of them is first pass metabolism. So what is first pass metabolism, also known as pre-systemic metabolism or first pass effect? What happens is when the drug is administered by oral route, instead of reaching the systemic circulation directly, it may reach liver via hepatic portal circulation. So the drug undergoes metabolism over there in the liver, and the result is small amount of the drug reaches the systemic circulation. During this course of action, the drug might get exposed to various drug metabolizing enzymes which lie within the liver or the intestinal wall. There are other sites also where some amount of first pass effect may take place, that is skin and lungs. And one thing is very clear that all orally administered drugs suffer from this first pass metabolism problem, but we are talking about those drugs which suffer from this issue extensively. So here from this figure we can see we have administered a certain dose of the drug orally, and this is the gut wall over here. This is the portal vein, and the drug undergoes absorption via portal vein and it reaches the liver where it undergoes metabolism. The result is that it affects bioavailability of the drug. Bioavailability is a quantitative parameter that measures the amount or the percentage of drug that has actually reached systemic circulation. Absorption means when we administer our drug from a certain site and it reaches the systemic circulation, the movement of drug from the site of administration to the systemic circulation of blood. But when we measure it quantitatively, how much drug has reached bloodstream, that is bioavailability. So what this first pass effect does, it ultimately affects the bioavailability of orally administered drug. Here are a few examples of drugs which undergo this extensive first pass metabolism. We have alpranolol, glycol, trinitrate, hydrocortisone, isoprenoline, lignocaine, morphine, propranolol, salbutamol, testosterone, verapamil and neostigmine. Now what is the alternative approach? So if these drugs suffer from this extensive first pass metabolism issue, when given by oral route, then we have to switch over to parenteral route, sublingual route or transdermal route, or we may have to administer a higher dose if given orally. Thank you. Thanks for watching.